Meranti wood, everything you need to know. When people talk about beautiful tropical hardwoods used in furniture and interior design, Meranti wood is one name that comes up more and more often. It has a warm appearance, a smooth texture, and a balance between affordability and durability that makes it incredibly popular in woodworking and furniture production. But what exactly is Meranti wood? Where does it come from? And why do so many furniture makers and carpenters love working with it? In this article, we're going to explore everything about Meranti wood, its characteristics, advantages, disadvantages, uses, and why it has become such a popular choice in modern furniture and interior projects. What is Meranti wood? Meranti is a tropical hardwood that comes mainly from Southeast Asia, especially countries like Malaysia, Indonesia, and the Philippines. It belongs to the Shorea family, which includes several different species of hardwood trees. One interesting thing about Meranti is that it's not just one type of wood. The name Meranti is actually used for a group of related wood species that share similar properties and appearance. Depending on the species, Meranti can range in color from light yellow and pale pink to deep reddish brown. This natural variation is one of the reasons why designers and woodworkers appreciate it so much. Why is Meranti wood so popular? Meranti has become extremely popular because it offers a great combination of beauty, workability, and affordability. Compared to more expensive exotic hardwoods like teak or mahogany, Meranti provides a similar warm and elegant appearance at a lower price point. It's commonly used for furniture, doors and windows, interior panels, decorative woodwork, flooring, staircases, cabinets. Its smooth grain and warm tones work beautifully in both modern and traditional interiors. The different types of Meranti wood. There are several varieties of Meranti wood, each with slightly different characteristics. Red Meranti. This is probably the most common type. It has rich reddish-brown tones and is widely used in furniture and joinery. White Meranti. White Meranti is lighter in color and usually softer. It's easier to work with and often used for indoor applications. Yellow Meranti. This variety has golden yellow tones and a pleasant natural appearance, making it ideal for decorative interiors. Dark Red Meranti. This is a denser and more durable version, suitable for projects that require additional strength. The appearance of Meranti wood. One of the biggest reasons people choose Meranti is its beautiful appearance. The wood usually has a straight grain with a medium texture, giving it a clean and elegant look. Its warm natural colors create a cozy and luxurious feeling in furniture and interior spaces. Depending on the species, the color can vary from pale cream, golden yellow, pinkish tones, reddish brown, dark brown. Because of this wide color range, Meranti fits into many different design styles. Is Meranti wood durable? Meranti is considered moderately durable. It's strong enough for most furniture and interior applications, while still being relatively lightweight and easy to handle. Some of its main characteristics include good dimensional stability, moderate hardness, easy machining, smooth finishing, decent resistance to wear. It's not as hard as oak, but it's easier to work with and often more affordable. Is Meranti good for outdoor use? Meranti can be used outdoors, but there's an important detail to remember. It needs proper protection. Without treatment, some species of Meranti may be vulnerable to moisture, fungi, and insects. That's why exterior applications usually require sealers, oils, or protective finishes. When properly maintained, Meranti performs well for exterior doors, window frames, covered outdoor furniture, decorative exterior woodwork. Advantages of Meranti wood. Beautiful natural appearance. Meranti has a rich and elegant look that works well in luxury interiors and furniture design. Easy to work with. Woodworkers love Meranti because it cuts, sands, glues, and finishes very easily. Good stability. Once dried properly, Meranti remains stable and resists excessive warping or shrinking. Affordable exotic hardwood. One of its biggest advantages is price. It offers the beauty of tropical hardwood without the extremely high cost of premium species like teak. Versatile applications. From furniture to doors and decorative panels, Meranti can be used in many different projects. Disadvantages of Meranti wood. Like any material, Meranti also has some downsides. Moderate resistance. It's not the hardest tropical hardwood available, so it may dent more easily than oak or teak. Requires protection. For outdoor use, protective treatments are essential. Quality can vary. Because Meranti includes several species, the quality and durability may differ depending on the source. Common uses of Meranti wood. Meranti is widely used across the furniture and construction industries. Some of the most common applications include tables, cabinets, bedroom furniture, Living room furniture. Interior doors. Window frames. Decorative wall panels. Flooring. Staircases. Its versatility makes it a favorite choice for both mass production and custom furniture projects. How to maintain Meranti wood. Proper maintenance helps preserve the beauty and durability of Meranti for many years. Regular cleaning. Use a soft cloth and wood-friendly cleaning products. Protect against moisture. Apply protective oils or varnishes, especially for outdoor use. Avoid excessive sun exposure. Strong UV rays can gradually alter the wood's natural color. Refinish when needed. Light sanding and refinishing can restore the wood's original beauty over time. Meranti versus oak. Compared to oak, Meranti is lighter and easier to process. Oak is generally harder and more durable, but it's also heavier and more expensive. Meranti offers a warmer tropical appearance and a smoother workability, making it ideal for many furniture applications. Meranti versus teak. Teak is more resistant to water and weather conditions, especially outdoors. However, teak is significantly more expensive. Meranti offers a more budget-friendly alternative while still maintaining an elegant tropical appearance. Is Meranti a good choice for furniture? Absolutely. Meranti is an excellent option for furniture because it combines attractive appearance, easy workability, stability, versatility, reasonable pricing. It works beautifully in both residential and commercial spaces. Sustainability and responsible forestry. Today, sustainability is more important than ever in the wood industry. When purchasing Meranti wood products, it's a good idea to look for FSC-certified sources or suppliers that support responsible forestry practices. Sustainable harvesting helps protect forests and ensures long-term environmental balance. Final thoughts. Meranti wood is one of the most versatile and attractive tropical hardwoods available today. Its warm appearance, smooth texture, and affordable price make it a fantastic material for furniture, interior design, doors, windows, and decorative projects. Whether you're a furniture maker, interior designer, or simply someone who appreciates natural wood, Meranti offers a balance of beauty and practicality that's hard to ignore. With proper care and finishing, Meranti wood can remain beautiful and durable for many years, making it a smart and stylish choice for countless applications.